Here's a question for you. Are you thinking about buying flood insurance?
Well, a new change could make that extra policy a little more affordable and easier to buy. ABC Action News anchor Nadine Yanis explains.
90% of all flood insurance policies are usually written through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program, and they're now doing a policy change that can be a game changer when it comes to affording home insurance. As we know, it's a pricey added expense, like for this homeowner here in Belmar Shores, who says he's now lost it all.
They cut out every place. They'd use the moisture meter to see how much they needed to cut.
6 weeks after Hurricane Helene, and 72-year-old Ken Kidd, a retired veteran from the New Jersey National Guard, is spending this Veterans Day still drying out his home.
And this was my world. So it's gone.
And there isn't enough insurance money to rebuild.
So you're going to sell it as is?
I have no choice.
Why is that? Because insurance isn't making you whole?
No, $25,000. They're not going to put all this together.
He's on a fixed income and paid $400 for a $25,000 insurance policy through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program, required to do so after taking out a line of credit.
We've never flooded. As long as I've been here, never had an issue. But
Which is why you went kind of for the minimum.
right. So
The added expense of a flood insurance policy nearly impossible in an insurance market like Florida with the highest rates in the country. But FEMA is hoping to now make it more affordable by allowing you to purchase flood insurance in monthly installments. Traditionally, if you didn't have a mortgage or didn't live in a mandatory flood zone, you had to pay your annual premium all up front.
For so many of us, we don't have the $500 or $1,000 to pay up front.
Jay Colehouse is the CEO of HH Insurance Group.
This now allows for those homeowners to pay monthly. And so I think it really starts to make the affordability of that coverage happen. I think if this hurricane season has taught us anything on the west coast of Florida, it's that flooding can happen in any flood zone in any area, and it doesn't just matter how close you are to water.
FEMA allowing those monthly installments to begin in January 2025. So FEMA has put out a fact sheet on everything you need to know about this policy change if you are interested in getting flood insurance. For all of that information, we have that posted for you right now on abcactionnews.com/insurance. There you can also get in contact directly with me if you're having any issues navigating insurance after this hurricane season. In South Tampa, I'm Nadine Yanis, ABC Action News.
Nadine, thank you. And we want to hear your voice on the topics that matter to you, whether it's insurance or anything else. Just get out your phone, scan that QR code on your screen right now, and we look into every tip you send our way.